so normal level, you know, say for the past 4 weeks right now, we get an ongoing Big Brother Naija season 5 where they go on. If they pursue anybody come up for the house, say it turned over, we dey interview the person to compensate the person, may not to lose guard. And today, we get the one and only.
Praise and worship. Hallelujah, somebody.
Now only praise here, but we wait for worship. Okay, maybe in our praise, he do is now worship.
Yes, sir.
Because he sabi worship well. Welcome, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to Naija FM, my brother, once again.
Thank you very much.
You're doing there.
What they doing?
You're doing there. No, I feel like me the go-go's more to see your face to face.
No, I did alright.
You sure?
I did alright.
You not get the hassle.
I did alright.
You sure?
I did alright.
Anyway, welcome, my brother. Now, Shafta, I'm going to go straight to business. How you feel when you hear saying that you be the next person to leave the house? And when you come outside, you come find out, say the person will make the final decision for you to leave the house. Now, kid wire.
Well, I no go talk say no pain me. It pain me small, but at the end of the day, I feel say in a game, na strategy. So I feel say at some point in the game, once person they become landlord, you go once the person just lose guard small, you see opportunities to overthrow them, or to pursue them, you go do them. So I feel saying na just pure strategy on his part. So no ill feeling about the guy. No.
Now be say you call it best if you come outside, you are not be guy again.
Nah, we still be guys, not just game.
But really, if you want even ready to a relationship inside the house, how you go between you and kid wire? How you reason?
It just did there on and off, Yeah.
Okay.
You got something where we say you talk for your eviction night, where we say you really, as in, I felt it. I know very say I speak English for that side.
Yeah.
I know say when Ebuka they interview you, they talk to you, about the eviction matter. You talk say the thing where pain you pass for that eviction matter now because now that same night you they do the remembrance of your late brother.
Yes.
Yeah. So how you can absorb the whole thing at last?
When I've been there house, I've been the talk say I no want go today. Of any other day, make I go, no be that day. Because that day already gets ill memory for me. So I know I make up times too. So now every single 23rd now, as I remember my late brother birthday, I remember now the same day I come out for BB Naija house. So now waiting just break my heart.
But it is what it is according to
It is what it is.
Okay, now Shasha, Momo go into your relationship or inside the house. I'm not gonna give you throw away a lot of doings which we appreciate with the viewers because now we actually pay for to see. You understand? And we notice say for your relationship, you did very selective. You did more focus on the mature ladies inside the house. When I mean mature lady, the first person will say you blend with na Katrina. Luckily, he can discharge just after I start to the blend. You get me? Then this last week before your eviction, we can also notice say another mature ladies. Either in don't they get interest for you, or you don't they get interest, or the interest that mutual. You can't blend with her. So I go really want know why you go. I be mature lady on your spec first of all.
No be saying mature lady. Now just based on people will be say I just feel say get some kind sense because I always talk them for the house.
Wait, hold on. You try to say the rest housemates don't get sense.
No, I know they say. I know when they talk. When I just talk, be say say I always say this slogan for house. I go say common sense is not common. So I feel say with Katrina the level of maturity. She no old past me. I old past her. Katrina na 27 years. I be 28 years. So I old past Katrina. So the level of maturity where she show based on who I be and waiting idea about. Me and her we yarn even from the first day based on every my life before BB Naija, my family, my fiancé and everything. But then she still feel like say, okay, this guy is a very cool guy and this guy in a person will get good vibe and spirit. So
now vibe blend together.
Yeah, so we apart from every we fight for the house.
I know the first second we get.
Yeah, but we still do cool, we still be friends. Then with Lucy, I think with Lucy the thing will happen be say the first week. me and Lucy, we just we not too,
not too rapport.
Yeah, then the second week she can't become head of house. So
Yeah.
the way she been take, they do some kind of things I be no like and
You can't wish say, I wish I may be head of house.
Yeah.
You even mentioned something.
Yeah,
Say, if
I
you
win
become
that,
a
win
I
it,
will
show
show
them.
them. Yeah, because you get some kind of things where we say, I feel say, you don't need to yarn them. You don't need to overemphasize them, but she go to do them, and now waiting make me and her quarrel. And after that quarrel, that second week, we just avoid each other. Up till last week, where we say we can't start to really talk. I can't understand. Say, apart from that fight, where we fight, nothing really they vex me for her side, and nothing really they vex her for my side. Anytime, so you can't reach the level where if I do something with pain, I should go come tell me sharp instead of not quarrel.
Then that bonding can dey between the two of you now.
Yeah, so now what's really happen?
Okay.
Sorry, I want to ship in one or two questions again, still based on that Lucy matter.
Yeah.
And so no be only you feel say she be troublemaker for the house. I did very sure say other housemates too don't get one or two clash with her. So with the relationship so far, we say you don't get with Lucy. You feel talk say maybe not just the housemates no understand her, but or maybe she gets small trouble for inside her.
Nah, I think say what I feel be say the housemates no understand Lucy.
Okay.
Because I always tell them, no go tell person how to feel. If person they feel this way, let the person go through it. No, they can't tell person say you must not feel that way, or if person they vex, you can't tell the person say no they feel that way. So I think that basically the problem, and the problem with Lucy we cause plenty wahala. And I say Lucy they always feel say the housemates they shut down all her ideas. So if Lucy talk something, Lucy they very very intense. She they very detailed. So sometimes we know they get that kind of time to feel run the thing the way she wants. And once you say okay we no go do them like this, so we go do them like that. You go just offer. She no go want even contribute at all.
Okay.
But I feel like say last they with time. God help her, she did there for long. Okay. People go start to get her. I feel say people don't they understand herself.
Okay. Now the reason why we interject Lucy for this last for this our question, I say the last week we really see that closeness between the two of you now. So you feel say I wish you still did the house, maybe 1 or 2 extra week. Something for really happen between you and Lucy.
No.
Something special.
No, nothing.
Like something will happen under the duvet.
Because why they ask this question? Because I hear clearly when Lucy they quarrel with Negi, when tell Negi say I not come here come play with man. I come here come focus on money. So because of pride, when use body they rub you, they lie down for your body, come they sit down, now come they sleep for the same under the duvet. Even talking about duvet, get what you need to clear, my brother.
Yes.
Your first person when you bond with Katrina actually talk say you get where one video will circulate everywhere. Say you get what you will see from outside. One na come outside and tell us say we not see how we got the cameraman no camera and where. You understand? I want just they clear right now because Katrina for her yarn say na aggressive cuddling na it happen under the duvet. Because you after the duvet, I'll repeat what I ask her. You tired, you can't rest. When man tired, say we can't wonder what make you tired. Then after that we can't hear say we can't see something. We don't be say we hear. We see say
Katrina they pull her butt short.
Enter duvet. So I want to ask which kind of aggressive cuddling happen. I just want me to clear things.
Yeah. Like she said, it's what it is. Now waiting happen with that. We cuddle and stuff. Apart from the fact say alcohol been there involved, the 2 of us know what happen. And
okay, the 2 of you now.
So now cuddle we cuddle. Yeah. Okay. Intense.
Now 2 of intense. Not be aggressive again. Intense cuddling. Now you use I agree with you, my brother.
Sorry again. Say some people they watch us live right now, and somebody they talk, so you feel really down. Say they don't feel your regular.
No.
But which person made the jump on before?
No, it don't happen. It is what it is. But say the praise website we know from the house, get ginger.
Apart from the fact that they don't evict me, which definitely everybody get plans to win. Everybody get plans to stay to the finals. But then as human being we be, people feel say Big Brother Naija na chilling, but na hard work.
Real work.
So a lot of people we don't see me, they say I look tired. Yes,
yes,
I'm tired.
you do.
I am tired. I need to I suppose rest. but then I get all these things why all these commitments why I need to fulfill. So it you know mean waiting they do me now no be based on say I did down. I did very very positive about my life outside Big Brother, but then I just a little rest no go kill me, it go help me. So I feel like say at some point I just need to just rest and
maybe get yourself back.
Yes.
No worry, go still rest.
No. Now sharp. I don't know if you don't come across. You're supposed to come across the Brighto video when they talk about you when he get a conversation with Kid Wire. They talk say he know your weak points and he go use them against you. Say you like older women, even your fiancé going who talks in at 60 years.
60
something. Yes. So you shock all of us. Somebody investigate or FBI or Twitter I go look for your fiancé picture come outside. Come to say Brighto they lie. Say your fiancé not reach 50 years. Say now sorry 60 years say now around 50 a day, which is like 10 years difference. So I like me you clear that arrangement because people don't get different perspective right now.
I feel at some point, when you start to feel like say person be threat, I know you go one rally other people based on one or two things, but
you ever get that conversation with Brighto when you do your so I can't know.
Hey,
exactly. I don't understand where it come from. I know say I don't talk to based on you get one time we Lucy been talk say Kai she no go fit follow any boy for this house way they younger than her. So it can't make me tell her say look my fiancé they older than me. So I feel say maybe now for there he hear that
you call your book carry
and go say 60 because based on every I know they even feel bad. I know they for the house but they always mimic everybody. I they like stroke people once in a while I go just stroke person. So you get some people say you go stroke them, you go they get some people you stroke them, you go to pain them. So if you say Brighto and maybe Kid two of them they take the whole stroking and joking thing too far. It be like they pain them well. Which I'm so sorry that I failed to notice that it was that way. Because at the end of the day, we go do and all of us go laugh. And they always stroke me too. For her, they always yab me too. You get so, and I they laugh about them, you get so. I don't know say they take them that
serious.
But your fiance not reach 50 years, Sha.
No, she's not 50 years. She not reach 50 years.
40.
She's 40, yeah.
I try you say even me when on one, I get the age right.
But age is just a number and I love the couple.
And the reason why I've been bringing her up because if she dey watch now, I just want to make she know say the thing really pain her. So I just want to make she know say the reason why I talk with I talk not be to diss her or anything. I don't always dey upfront about her. The fact say I carry her, introduce her to my family. The fact say we get picking together. I feel like that don't already show her say look this guy they invested in this thing. You get she did 42 years old but you go notice
because the picture won't see she dey young.
You go know because me when she been tell me about the age I've been saying a lie. But then it is what it is. So she come clean before everything happened between us. I don't already know.
Just to add this one, John, because I know say you get question. At least I know say you don't communicate with your fiance since when you come up for the house. You get any feelings you don't get say your doings for the house when she not dey happy about. Like maybe you doings when we say she too watch just like us, she not dey happy about. She don't address her.
We don't talk about them, but then we don't already break some bridges, which at some point we need to mend. So I don't know waiting be the way forward. I don't know about her. I be Abuja boy. So now until I reach Abuja, sit down with her face to face, then I go know what's up. But I know if you talk now, say everything they alright or everything spoiled. So now until I meet with her, then I go face to face. Then and it involves plenty things. Apart from herself, you get other people where they involved, like family members and when we say, her family, my family. So now once we be say I know say at the end of the day, get some certain people where I need to go see.
But before you go this Big Brother house, you and I don't discuss and at least you know what you actually take to the inside that house, the feelings when they go through sometimes.
Yes, we don't discuss them
before you enter.
Yes, based on say look, as I go, my intention is to do this. Now waiting I want to do with that but I don't know waiting go happen because this is a long period of time. So You understand? So we talk about say based on waiting to happen and based on previous seasons where we don't watch, based on waiting don't happen, where even people they judge people based on some like that. So yeah, it's not easy. Now just the thing where I go talk. It's not easy.
Alright, so with everything maybe say you don't see now plus notice as you should come out of the house, you get something maybe say you feel so you supposed to do for the house where you know do when you did there.
No.
So your strategy.
I feel like say my strategy basically not to just be present. You know, make sure say my voice they heard. You know, my vibe and you know so.
Sorry, another question maybe say I want to ask you. I remember say still until that time say they do eviction process for you. You mentioned say what's on in your spec.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember I said you mentioned that. So I want to ask you, if you talk say what's on in your spec and indeed maybe now what's on to come talk say praise like say na my spec too. Would you have considered that?
If I no happen. If I no happen.
So saying that just to be like part of your strategy too.
So apart from the fact that I like short girls, you know, with forehead. With forehead.
That's what you talk
so now my spec with that. So when I say what na my spec based on she short or she
get forehead. So the example of what you like.
Example of what like no be say what Tony na like. So yeah. So now waiting most of us mean by my spec. When we say this person na my spec, na the kind of person we you know, I the vibe with. If you see my girl, now so she did. So you get.
Okay, now sharp talking about Betway Arena games. On a scale of 1 to 10, how you go to rate your performance?
8.
8. Seriously. Now you know we head of us.
That head of house thing, but that head of house
you get the way it be.
You get the way it be. You get the way it be. You get as you go throw.
You go give up.
You go just reach. You go just reach game over. And when you reach game over, even though you get 1 minute more.
Yeah,
you don't get game over. And now waiting do me for this last one, and now why it pay me well.
Yeah, I know.
Because I don't already reach point where we say, if to say I scale from that point, I for winner. But then I just reach. You know, so.
All right. So who you they predict say if you win this Big Brother Naija season 5?
2 people in my mind.
Tell us.
The first person na Lekon,
which
they here.
Okay.
The second person na Prince, which they here.
Because
Prince. Lekon.
Why no female? Equality or I be feminist. So.
I know, but now my guys them be first.
So the girls don't be your girls.
I go support them, and the reason why I say Lekon be say, you know, Lekon are the realest for that house.
Yeah.
And Prince too na contender. But my fear for Prince be say if Prince find himself for the same place where I find myself, they go come out because na threats. So waiting they don't do now to they remove the threats. You know, so now waiting they don't do now.
Okay, now sharp because a lot of relationship they go on for the house right now. What be your take on top waiting they really saw between your guy Lekon and Erica? Who you want if we say more blame one person when they cause trouble for that relationship, who you go blame?
I go say I know if you blame one of them because the truth be say 2 of them they like each other in different
Lekon
ways.
And Erica.
They like each other.
Okay. Erica likes Lekon in a different way, and Lekon like Erica in a different way. Lekon like for Erica is deeper. You get so you know, but at the end of the day, 2 of them now them still they always find themselves at triangle. I don't try break them up and stuff. Sometimes I go yarn her say, look, do what you need to do with kid. Then I go tell Lekon, forget about this person because the thing been they make Lekon they very very down in the house. And performance and singer way in B, can they project himself based on the first week, first week, second week, or he rap for the body. Then love can they can't they they feel chill if Erica and Kid did somewhere, you go one come out for there. So some of people like me now, we be saying I'm a guy, I go one come out with him, just go talk to him.
I know how we do
plenty times. So
okay.
Alright, another Betway question I want to ask you now. How many people are there on top of the football team? Option.
You want to give an option?
Now 11 now.
No, I didn't. You never give you option before.
Now they laugh.
Okay, now sharp. A lot of things just up. Right now, the big question what everybody wants now. What will be the next phase for you?
Yeah, so I want build my brand now. Dance and fitness. Now something we say I don't do for a while. So dance and fitness. Then also on the side I do little gigs. So bridal showers. You need strippers. I get my team.
Oh, you're not stripper?
Yeah.
Stripper last time. Don't come out and say no be stripper.
So we need to know, are you a stripper?
Are you a full-time stripper?
Yes,
Already
yes. I get my team, you know, I get my
team of strippers
team
too.
of male strippers. Will be say we dey do bridal showers and hand.
And last year, last 2 years when I was married, they look for person to come strip for my plan.
So
you know no praise there now.
So that time I never did. So now
so
I want
book
do.
you now.
Yes. Then also I want you know venture into modeling.
Okay.
Maybe
Yeah,
fitness modeling and all that. So now one to website I want to do. Acting, I still dey think because now a lot of work.
Yeah.
Now something we say I dey.
But you tried. If you look your effort for the house for the acting. Okay.
All right. So any wedding bells soon? We don't get fiance. Any wedding bells?
You know, you say one person to matter first.
I don't know what thing go happen to me. I don't know what thing go
My
happen
brother
to
stay
us.
positive. I just got better.
Yeah, I did positive, but I don't know what thing go happen. But then, if anything go happen, anything positive, when I go here.
Wait to be your fiance name.
Omawumi.
And your son is so cute.
Omawumi. We want you God beg you. Anything when happen for Big Brother house, remember for Big Brother house.
Yes, so.
Anything when you see us here, but we don't forgive praise. We understand. We use God beg you. Not let the matter pass like this. You know, good as I beg for your on behalf right now. And family members too when they involved. We want beg you too. Forgive our praise, We use worship, beg you. Forgive our praise.
All right, any last word for the platform we bring you out plus your fans?
Yes, I just want to say big thank you to everybody, family, friends, fans, people will be say vote for me, you know, people who I know, people who I don't know. I want to just say thank you for the love. You know, I no go take them for granted. You know, I feel blessed having you people. And also please follow me on social media because I go still dey active. I go still dey post stuff. On Instagram at its_praise.
I bet it's
ITZ. ITZ_praise. For Twitter at but _praise. So Instagram get 1_. Twitter get 2_. And also I want to say a big thank you to Multi-Choice. You know, I want to say to the Big Brother team, Betway, every single company where we say, you know, pull hand because as I did the house, I've been they win small money. I've been they win money. They gather my money. They gather
when
my money.
When they say they want to give you that money?
And after the show,
why they want wait? If you need the money now.
I know I go wait. So I just want to say a big thank you to everybody. You know, all my fans, and you know, everybody will be say don't support me. Even people will not support me. Say thanks for watching. You know, I'm very grateful, and I promise you guys I will not take your love for granted. I'm not going to take them for granted.
We hear you. Anyway, we wish you success on top of this new phase of life, my brother. We hope to hear more success story from you, and we hope say you'll see visit us one day. Share the success story with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Now, see Naija, if you want to